Hello dear students, this is Sajith from GURUJEE. I've come to tell you about some statistics on Neet examination and what is happening to the students of Neet. Okay, in a year there are about 25 lakh students are applied and 25 lakh students are writing Neet. Let's see the scenario. And out of which 55,000 students are going to get into government colleges. So, okay, so you are from whichever part of the country or wherever you are from in the world. Okay, if you are eligible for getting the Indian medical seat, there are 55,000 people are going to be doctors every year. So what is going to happen to the balance 24 lakhs 45,000 students? Okay, what is happening to them? Let us see. I've seen, or I've been going through some of the statistics like this. There is a student who got 600 marks or 610 mark and 620 mark. Okay, either the student is dropping out because not getting a government seat and going to a coaching institution and studying for a dropper course, or else the student is getting applied into some abroad universities. Okay, so wherein going to abroad universities, we know that there will be a language problem, and medical seats is going to be the total duration is going to be 6.5 years, and a few universities 7 years, 7.5 years, and after coming back to India you need to write another examination for getting the medical validity, etc., etc. Now here the problem is that, the other problem is that in abroad, by any chances, if there is a war or some extra some kind of issues happens, like we know that what has happened in this Ukraine and Russia war time, majority of the Indian students came back and they were not able to get a medical seat in India, and they had to wait for a long time, and they've been asked to write another examination in India to continue the medical courses. Alright, so and the students who are getting 600 marks, 610 and 620 mark and all, going into some coaching institutions, and these coaching institutions are convincing them that they can get further marks on this, and their students taking up one more year of study, spending huge money and time and resources on such institutions, and then continuing for one more year. In this case, next year, of course, there is going to be another competition, and number of students are getting increased, and cutoff will vary, and so many issues will happen. And getting a chance or not getting a chance, it is up to how the mark is going to get improved. Alright. So here, what and all we need to see that if a student is getting 600 mark or 610 mark or 620 mark, is there any other opportunity for a student? Okay. Yes, you need to see one examination in our country which is happening, Karnataka common entrance test. Okay, any medical aspirants, okay, the CET examination, okay, if you go to the CET portal, it is only told any MBBS aspirants of our country are been taken to Karnataka medical colleges through Neet rank, based on the Neet mark and Neet rank, wherein they don't have to write any examination. Okay, there are no separate examination, but only thing is you just have to apply. What is that? You just need to apply for the CET examination. The CET examination is only for those students who wanted BSc nursing or such courses in Karnataka. Other than that, any MBBS students who are aspirant of Karnataka medical colleges, okay, must have applied this CET portal. Okay, that's only the criteria is available. But now if you look at it, what is happening? There are seats given, okay, the seats are given from Neet rank or Neet mark 200 to 600 mark, okay, there are number of seats available, whereas the fee structure goes 7,500 to 10 lakhs, okay, 7,500 to 10 lakhs, the fee structure varies, depends on your rank. Whereas if a student is 600, 610, 620 in India, generally there is a scenario that they are taking up 1 year dropping. They're dropping for a year and they're getting into any coaching institution, spending one more year and thinking for this another, getting into this 55,000 medical seats in our country. But if you look at it, there are some scenarios like this. In Karnataka, the total MBBS colleges is around 69, in which this year there are going to be another 5 more medical colleges going to get added, which means the MBBS seats as of now is 11,745. and plus 750 is going to get added this year. Okay, the scenario of number of colleges, if you see, government medical colleges there are 24, and in which there is 3,750 seats are available, and private medical colleges there are 33, and the seats are about 5,445, and deemed medical colleges there are 12, and in this deemed medical colleges there are about 2,500 seats are available. Okay, so now let us understand few of the best colleges in Karnataka, okay, in terms of their infrastructure and researchers and the facilities on studies it is offered. Okay, look at these colleges. I'm going to tell you few colleges, like 20 colleges I have listed here, plus 10 more colleges I'll tell you in the private sector. Okay, now the first two comes here, there actually, Sri Madhusudan Medical College. Okay, I'm telling you, Sri Madhusudan Medical Colleges, Neet rank, okay, till if you take the last year scenario, Neet all India rank up to 26,000. Okay, Neet rank up to 26,000 it is offered. Now the fees is approximately 7,500 per year, and if you look at it, the condition, only one condition is that after 5.5 years of medical studies, you have a bond of studying, bond of working there for 5.5 years. So what I'm trying to tell you actually, sorry, the fee structure, it is not 7,500, I said 750 rupees. I made a mistake. It is 750 rupees. 750 rupees. I'm repeating, 750 rupees, and it is 5.5 years of study there. All right. And after this 5.5 years of study, you need to work for a bond of 5.5 years at this place. Okay. Next comes, okay, everyone would have heard about St. John's Medical Colleges, established in the year of 1963. Last year, the rank, Neet rank, 14,000 rank. Okay, what I'm telling you, 14,000 rank, up to 14,000 rank, all India rank, it has been given, and fees is around 8 to 10 lakhs per year. Okay, and the third round cutoff, it went up to 23,000. Okay, so 14,000, I said Neet rank up to 14,000 it is given. For a 14,000 rank holder it has been given, and fees is around per year 8 to 10 lakhs. Okay, and this is one of the good infrastructure hospital available in our country. Okay, majority goes for it, and many are aware of this institution, and it is a research college, medical college, established in 1963, just after, I would say, like, just few years down the line of our freedom. And so it is, the third round is gone up to 23,000. And now if you see the third one, I'm talking about KIMS, okay, Kembagowda Medical College and Science, which is established in 1980, whereas Neet rank has gone up to 28,000 and fees is around 10.9 lakhs per year. Okay, the fourth one is Vaidehi Medical Research, which is established in 2002, and Neet rank has gone up to 28,000, and whereas the fee structure is again 10.9 lakhs per year. Alright, now next is the fifth one I'm going to give you, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Medical Institution, which is established in 1980. Alright, and the Neet rank has gone up to 32,000. Okay, up to 32,000 in the final round they have given seats, and fee structure is again 10.9 lakhs per year. And the next one is BGS Global Medical Institution, which is established in 2013 recently, but the rank, many are choosing it, and it is one of the best colleges, medical colleges available as of now, and the Neet rank has gone up to 35,000, whereas up to 35,000 rank seats are given. Now if you look at it, the fee structure is about 10.92 lakhs per year. And then it comes MVJ Medical College, which is established in 1997. The rank gone up to 38,000, and whereas the fee structure is around 10.9 lakhs. Next comes Agas Institute of Medical Science and Research, whereas rank gone up to 47,000 rank. Okay, all India rank, it has been given a seat, and whereas the fees is again 10.9 lakhs. Next is coming like East Point Medical College, which is rank up to 52,000 rank seats are given. Alright, all India rank, those who got up to 52,000, okay, all India rank in Neet examination, the seats are given, and it is about 10.92 fee structure, 10.92 lakhs per year. Then it comes with me Nijalingappa Medical College and Research, whereas all India rank up to 65,000 and 10.9 lakhs fee structure, seats are given. Then it comes to Al-Amin Medical Colleges, okay, whereas rank up to 75,000, okay, 75,000, all India rank up to 75,000 it has been given, and established in 1984, and the fee structure is around 11 lakhs per year. Next comes Sri Bisheshwara Medical College, around 69,000, all India rank around 69,000. Those who scored all India rank up to 69,000, the seats are given, and it's around 10.9 lakhs or roughly 11 lakhs per year. Then we have JJM Medical College, rank is around 42,000, up to 42,000 seats are given, and the fee structure is again 11 lakhs per year. Then we have SS Institute of Medical Science, which is rank around 56,000, up to 56,000 the seats are given, and course fee, the fees per year is around 10.9 lakhs. Then we have Mahadevappa Rampuri Medical College, which is established in 1963, and Neet rank up to 45,000 seats are given, fees is around 10.9 lakhs. Okay, then it comes SS Institute of Medical Science, wherein Neet rank is up to 56,000 and 11 lakhs per year. Then we have Oxford Medical College and Research, whereas rank up to 50,000 and 10.9 lakhs is the fee structure. Then we have Father Muller Medical College and Research Hospital, here up to 35,000, okay, up to 35,000 rank, all India level, who are scored 35,000 seats are given, and the fee structure is up to 11 lakhs, approximately 11 lakhs per year. Then we have AJ Institute of Medical Science and Research. In this 43,000, okay, up to 43,000 rank seats are given, where 10.9 lakhs is approximately. Then of course everyone would have heard about Srinivasa Medical Science and Research Institution. In this 58,000, up to 58,000, okay, those who are scored up to 58,000 rank, it has been given. So now look at this, all these are coming under approximately 10.9 lakhs, except the first few I said, like the first one I said, Sri Madhusudan Medical College, okay, the fee structure is 750 rupees per year, but you have a 5 years bond after 5 years of study, 5.5 years of study, you need to work for the hospital. If you break a bond, then there is a fee structure, okay, that goes like that. And then St. John's is very famous. And other than that, you have another 10 more medical colleges, wherein, okay, fee structure is approximately, okay, I would say fee structure is approximately 10.9 lakhs to 16.2 lakhs, or I would say 10.9 lakhs to 22 lakhs. Let's see, let's take the maximum, around 22 lakhs, 10.9 lakhs to 22 lakhs, fee structure. You have another 10 more medical colleges, in which you would have heard about like Ramaya Medical Colleges and all, okay. So it is very famous for its research and, students development. So there are about, this fee structure, I said 10.9 lakhs to 22 lakhs per year fee structure it goes. So my dear students, please understand, Neet is an examination, okay, which probably everybody got into that, like, in everybody's mind, or a parent or a student, everybody thinks end of the day, if Neet is not happening, nothing is there, or if Neet, their children cannot get through Neet, everything is gone out. It is not like that. Please understand that, and then we get into some in coaching institutions, even if we score 600 mark, you put another pressure on the child, trying to get another 50-60 mark more, and then going try for that another next year for getting into that 55,000 seats of the country, that core medical colleges like AIMS, JIPMER put together, that 55,000 seats you need to come into that category. Instead of that, few also put pressure on the students, like taking them to getting them counseling with abroad universities and sending off from here, and they get struggle their first year itself for not understanding the language, not understanding the classes, and there are trouble comes, and they come back, few comes back, and loss of money, loss of time, everything. So instead of that, please think of this KCT examination and KCT website and just apply. And as I told you, there are, if your child is getting a mark of 200 in Neet till 600 or 610 or 620, you have number of colleges available and you have number of chances. And for example, if you see that I have been telling you all the ranks, whatever ranks, all India level, the seats are offered for students. Okay, so before jumping into a dropper course, before jumping into a foreign university, please think on this, what are the opportunities available from CET portal, and get applied. If you have any information, more information needed, please call us and we'll be able to support you. Now Guruji, like as I've been telling in all the videos, we conduct crash courses every year, and this year we have planned on 25th, because crash courses, what I mean by is that actually Students who are currently going along with 12th standard or completed a few set of portions already, and they need a little more help to understand, or they want a last minute revisions, or they want little more knowledge on the question paper or the pattern of the question paper, or they need a faculty to sit and discuss with them individually, correct their paper, give us solutions immediately. Okay, for such students our crash course will be really benefited, and number of mock tests is also planned, number of chapter tests is also planned. So those who want our crash courses can join now. It's going on, admissions are going on, or you can send us in our WhatsApp number will be given here. You can send a message to us, so we'll be sending you all the details, and you can be part of our crash course from March 25th onwards. All right, and any further informations with related to NEET, please reach to us. We will be able to support you. Okay, so those who wanted this kind of information, please go through all my videos already uploaded in YouTube and in our Instagram channels, so that you will get benefited. And if you wish, or if you think that these kind of information will be useful to you, please subscribe my channel and keep it with you, so that whenever I'm giving any such information, you will not be missing. Also, to your dear and near ones, if possible, send these videos so that they also will get benefited. Okay, so till I meet you with my next video, think about this, and it is CET extended till 24th February, and this is a great chance to all of you. And so get apply today itself. And believe me, there is no, if you are an MBBS student, if you are planning to become a doctor, no exam with CET, only based on the NEET score. Okay, so thank you so much. Till I meet you with next video, this is Sajith signing off.